Now, Judy, I'm already in the folder Red Fury Rebellion Publish. Let's see. Publish files. These are the files you're going to publish. Your ebook. EPUB is an ebook. Games Romans Play, EPUB, which is your ebook. Games Romans Play Print, which is your paperback PDF, which you're going to upload into Kindle, KDP, and your print version, Rebellion and Games. Now, to access this stuff, all you got to do is go to the right, and it's More Actions. You click on it, click Download. And you're going to do that for all the files. It's really important that you don't try to open them in this program. Now I'm downloading all these. And I'll show you. And it bounces on my computer. Now I have my downloads file here. It's very easy for me to find. You might have to use the way you navigate through your computer to find them. But you need to place it somewhere that's very easy for you to find. Now this source files thing is just for me. You don't need to worry about this file. I just have it here so I can track for tracking purposes. Because if you want me to make changes, I go into the source file. It's a formatted file, and a Games Romans Play is a source file for Games Romans Play. So I'll make changes there and I'll rebuild the PDF. So you don't even need to worry about this stuff. It's just for me. So I'm going to go to my Downloads folder. I'm going to click on More in Finder. I'm using a Mac, so it's a little different than yours. But you'll see right here the same files I just downloaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight them. I'm going to make a new folder with selection. I'm going to title it Most Recent Rebellion Files. That's just so I can locate it easily. And then I'm going to put it somewhere where I can easily find it. For me, that's my desktop. So I'll go to Desktop, Most Recent Rebellion Files. Now it's on my computer. And Games Romans Play Print. Print Ready PDF, EPUB. Now it automatically, on my computer, it automatically unzipped it. You know, you see down here, it's a zip file. See that little zipper? It's a zip file. It's very critical that you don't try to open these files in your browser. You need to open it from your computer. I'm going to go back to where it is on my computer. I'm going to open up the print version of Games and Rebellion together. And I'm going to close this because I can edit it. I'm going to go View, Page Display, to Page View so it looks like a book. Now, just 1 second. I got to add a page because to view it properly. This is just to view it, so that the margins look good. Your margins are going to be a little bit different. You don't need to worry about this. I'm just showing you the book. Praise for J.F. Ridgely, other books, and now your beautiful title page. And you have the same kind of title page for your second book, your additional book. So this is the file that you're going to upload to, that you're going to share with Scott. And I can share him with your permission. I can share Scott into these files so he can upload it himself. So if you have an ebook reader, this is what I would do. Go to your, however you see your files in your computer. To open your ebook, right click, open with, and choose a book. It'll automatically, hopefully, show you programs your computer has that can read the file. For me, I use Books.app, and I recommend Adobe Digital Editions. But I'm going to open up in Books because I want to show you how beautiful it is. So you have your cover, and Kathy's going to send me an updated cover if she updates it. Just show you how it looks good. And you can look at everything. So I hope this helps you. I'm sorry, I will call you and I want to talk to you. I just can't give you an hour of my time with all the kids running around. So, and me showing you is probably going to help you. And if you want to, you can click shared with me, and you might be able to find, because it's my file, it didn't show up. But it might show up on your computer, the folder that I shared with you on shared with me. So I'm going to go home with me, and okay, you see these files and folders? If you click on folders, it'll show you all your folders, and you can look for let's see, you can look for the folder that I shared with you. So anyway, I hope you have a good day, and talk to you soon.